If you want to delete your Facebook account, then this is how you can do it. First, click on this 3 lines. And then, here, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on this Settings option here. And on this page, click on this See More in Account Center option. Now, on this page, you will find an option that says Personal Details. Just click on it. And it will take you to this page. Here, click on this Account Ownership and Control option. And then click on this second option that says Deactivation or Deletion. Here, click on this arrow. And it will provide you 2 options. Now, if you want to delete your account temporarily, then select this option. And if you want to delete your account permanently, then you have to select this option. I am going to delete my account permanently, so I will just click on this one. And then, click on Continue. Now here, select any of the given option, and click on Continue. Click on Continue again, and it will take you to this page. Now, go to the bottom of this page, and click on Continue one more time. Type your Facebook password here, and then, click again on Continue. Now click Delete Account. And after this step, your account will be deleted within a few seconds.